Vivid English Avenue Stories Channel. Want to speak English better, faster, and with more confidence? You're in the right place. Vivid English Avenue Stories is here to help. We use fun stories to improve your listening, speaking, reading, vocabulary, and teach you important life lessons along the way. Here's how. First, enjoy the story. Then, learn new, useful words. Next, practice speaking by answering questions out loud. If you're serious about learning English, listen, speak, and enjoy the journey with me. The Two Travelers and the Bear. One sunny morning, two friends were walking through a big forest. The trees were tall, the birds were singing, and everything felt peaceful. They laughed, talked, and promised to always help each other, no matter what. But suddenly, the forest became quiet. The birds flew away. Then, snap! A big, scary bear appeared from behind the bushes. The two friends froze. The bear was huge, growling loudly, and started walking toward them. One man quickly ran and climbed a tree. The other couldn't climb and knew he couldn't run either. So he dropped to the ground, closed his eyes, and stayed very still, pretending to be dead. He hoped the bear would go away. The bear came closer. It sniffed his head, his arms, even his mouth. But the man didn't move. After a moment, the bear made a sound and walked away. When the bear was gone, the man came down from the tree. He laughed nervously and said, "Wow, that was close." "What did the bear whisper in your ear?" The man stood up, brushed off the dirt, and looked at him. He said quietly, "The bear said, never travel with someone who leaves you when you need help." Moral: a true friend stays with you in difficult times. Friendship isn't just about fun. It's about standing together when things get hard. A real friend doesn't leave. A real friend stays, helps, and supports you. So ask yourself, what kind of friend are you? And what kind of friends do you choose? Have you ever had someone leave or stay when you needed them most? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. If this story touched your heart and helped you learn English, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more powerful English stories. Let's grow together. Now let's learn 5 new words. The more words you know, the easier it is to speak and understand English. Let's go. Peaceful. Peaceful. Peaceful means quiet, calm, and nice. There is no noise, no danger. Everything feels good. In the beginning of the story, the two friends were walking in the forest. It was sunny, the trees were tall, and the birds were singing. Everything felt peaceful. That means it was quiet, beautiful, and safe. But later, it changed. Promise. Promise. A promise is when you say, "I will do something," and you really mean it. For example, "I promise to help you" means, "I will help you for sure." In the story, the two friends were happy and smiling. They said they would always help each other, no matter what. That's a promise. But did they keep the promise? Appear, appear. Appear means something comes suddenly, and you can see it. It was not there before, and now it is. In the story, suddenly, the bear appeared from behind the bushes. That means the bear came out very fast and the friends saw it. It was not there before, but now it is there. Scary. Pretend, pretend. Pretend means you act like something is true, but it's not. Like playing. You pretend to be a superhero or a cat. In the story, one friend couldn't run. He pretended to be dead. He closed his eyes and didn't move, like a dead person. But really, he was alive. He was just acting. Friendship, friendship. Friendship means being friends. When you care about each other, help each other, and have fun together. In the story shows what true friendship means. A real friend helps you when things get hard. One friend ran away, the other was alone. Was that real friendship? That's what the story teaches us. Now that you know more words and you've listened to the story, let's practice speaking. I will ask you 10 multiple choice questions. You need to answer out loud to practice your speaking. Let's go. Where were the two friends walking? Answer: C. In a forest. How did the forest feel at the beginning? Answer: B. Peaceful and quiet. What did the two friends promise each other? Answer: B. To help each other. What animal appeared suddenly? Answer: C. A bear. What did the first man do when he saw the bear? Answer: A. Climbed a tree. What did the second man do? Answer: B. Pretended to be dead. What did the bear do to the man on the ground? Answer: C. Sniffed him. What did the first friend ask after the bear left? Answer: C. What did the bear whisper in your ear? What did the bear say, according to the man? Answer: B. Never travel with someone who leaves you. What is the moral of the story? Answer: C. A true friend stays with you. Great job! How many did you get right? Count your score and comment below. Don't worry about mistakes. Every step you take makes you stronger. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun and exciting English stories. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.